National Gardening Day. National Gardening Day is celebrated on April 14th each year to encourage people to start or expand their gardens. It highlights the benefits of gardening, such as improving mental and physical health, promoting sustainability, and enhancing the beauty of surroundings. Whether growing flowers, vegetables, or herbs, gardening brings people closer to nature and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Gardening provides numerous health benefits. It reduces stress, boosts mood, and offers physical exercise. Growing fresh vegetables and fruits at home also promotes healthy eating and reduces reliance on store-bought produce. Additionally, gardening supports the environment by improving air quality, conserving soil, and providing habitats for birds and insects. On National Gardening Day, people engage in various activities such as planting new seeds, tending to their gardens, and sharing gardening tips. Many schools, communities, and gardening clubs organize workshops and events to educate people about sustainable gardening practices. Social media campaigns also inspire more individuals to take up gardening as a hobby. This day serves as a reminder that anyone, regardless of space or experience, can enjoy the rewards of gardening. It encourages people to connect with nature, be creative, and contribute to a greener and healthier planet.